Hello guys, in this video we will set up your Facebook Ad Manager account. We will show you how to change your time zone, currency, payment method and spending limit. If you have Facebook profile or Instagram account, you automatically also have an Ads Manager account. So there is no need to set this up. You can create your campaigns and Ad Manager without having a Facebook business page or an Instagram account for business. But in order to run the ads you create, you will need one. To access Facebook Ad Manager, go to facebook.com/ads/manage, and once you are in Ads Manager, select the setting gear at the bottom corner of the left sidebar. Once you are in your Ads Manager setting, Facebook will prevent you with your ad account setup. They will assign you a random account ID number and they will set your currency and time zone based on your profile location. If either your currency or time zone are incorrect, change those first. When you change your currency or time zone, you will automatically create a new ad account. Your old ad account will be closed, but it will still be visible. All of the ads created in that account will also stop running. To change your currency or time zone, use the drop down menu to choose the correct option. Then select Create New Account to return to settings. Then enter your business information and advertising purpose into settings. These questions are for legal reasons, as there may be restriction on certain types of advertising in your region. When you are done entering your information, select Save Changes. Next, we will set up a payment method. You have to set up a payment method before you can begin running ads. To set up your payment method, select Payment Settings in the left sidebar. If there is currently no payment method, let's add one. Under Payment Methods, select Add Payment Method. You can choose to pay with a credit or debit card, PayPal, online banking, or a Facebook ad coupon. If you want, you can add more than one payment method. Once you have entered your payment information, select Continue. Depending on what payment method you choose, you may be asked for more information. Once you have added your payment method, you will return to the payment method settings page. You can always add it or remove it on the payment method setting page under Settings in Ads Manager. It's also important to note that under payment method, you can also set your account spending limit. And this helps you control your total ads cost, as your ad will be paused when the limit is reached. Your ads will be paused until you have changed the limit. To set an account spending limit, select Set Account Spending Limit. Here you have the option to set, change, remove or reset your account spending limit. Once you are finished, click Set Limit. You now have your payment method and account spending limit set. Remember, you can change any of your Ad Manager settings anytime by selecting Settings from the menu in Ads Manager. Alright, see you in the next lesson.